It is a ring toss throw off. Toss off. Ring toss. He did it. He is special.
I'm special.
Most of it's done. I have all of this. Most of it's put away, but I still have this left over, and I need to find spots for everything. The fridge is full, the freezer's full, and I think we have enough beer. I think we have enough rum and vodka, and hopefully we have enough mixers.
We are so excited to be sailing to the Bahamas again. Every time we go, it's a brand new adventure. Latitude Adjustment is currently in Singer Island, Florida, and we will be crossing the Gulf Stream to West End, which is only 56 miles away.
All right, we're heading to the Bahamas again. It's 8:30 in the morning on Saturday, and the wind is a little bit out of the northeast, probably 14 knots, gusting to 18. We have full sails up. We do have one motor running just to keep headway going through the Gulf Stream. The seas look like they're probably 2 to 4, 2 to 3 maybe. Occasionally we're going into the wind, so the seas are coming right from the front, so it's not a comfortable ride. Occasionally we will slam into the waves, but it's not bad overall.
Today. Our crew is Aaron.
That's me. I'm here to observe.
So Aaron was nice enough to give me these amazing sunglasses. They're Cosmos, and they're called Isabella. Bella, as in beautiful.
So people always ask, do we get bored while we're sailing? Just the two of us? No. We have Aaron. All's good. We're crossing the Gulf Stream today. It's a little sporting out here. The waves are probably 2 to 3, but we're going into them, so we're getting a pretty hobby horsey ride. And occasionally we get quite the spray show. As you see behind me, not the smoothest in the world, but we're having a good time.
After 9 hours of motor sailing into the wind and waves, we arrive at West End, where we cleared customs. We will be leaving Aaron here, as he needs to return to Florida, but not before a fun night out in Old Bahama Bay.
You got some beets. You got some black beans if you like them. I brought some marinated artichoke hearts and some black olives, and then like you slice up a tomato or whatever fresh veggies you got, and then you put a nice big wedge of feta cheese on top, and then you eat.
If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up or leave us a comment below.